ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام.
بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Respected teachers and my dear colleagues, I am very happy and glad and honored to be here with you on this auspicious occasion. Al-Mawadda Milad Fest. Now I would like to share about on my selected topic the importance of knowledge. Knowledge is the foundation of human progress. Knowledge is often described as light because it removes the darkness of ignorance. Without knowledge, life becomes narrow and limited. But with knowledge, we open our minds, broaden our vision, and learn to live meaningfully. Dear friends, wealth, power, and beauty may fade with time, but knowledge remains with us forever. Unlike material things, knowledge cannot be stored, and the more we share it the more it grows. That is why Greek thinkers have always considered knowledge as the true wealth of human beings. Knowledge gives us confidence. It helps us make the right decisions in difficult situations. A knowledgeable person can face challenges with wisdom and courage, while an ignorant person may feel lost and helpless. It is also knowledge that drives progress in society. Every invention, every discovery, and every step of human development has its roots in knowledge. From the whale to the internet, from medicine to space exploration, and this are gift of human knowledge. But knowledge is not only about books or science, it also includes values, culture, and wisdom. Due knowledge teaches us humility, compassion, and respect for others. It helps us become better human beings and contribute positively to society. In a nutshell, let us remember that knowledge is the most powerful weapon we can possess. It gives us freedom, guides us towards success, and lights the path to brighter future. Therefore, let us all be seekers of knowledge throughout our lives, and let us use it not just for ourselves, but for the good of humanity. Now, I am concluding my words. Thank you for all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.